నూలు నూలులో శతాబ్దాల గౌరవం, పట్టు పరంపరకు ప్రతీక, సంప్రదాయానికి శాశ్వత చిరునామా సఖీ.
ఈ అమ్మాయికి నా జీవితంలో తెచ్చింది.
తనకి అప్పటికే ఒక పాప ఉండింది,
ఉన్నది.
తాన్యా.
ఉన్నది.
ఎంత ఏజ్ అప్పటికి? మీ
అప్పుడు
మ్యారేజ్ అప్పటికి?
2007 లో షీ వాజ్ 6 years. 6 years అన్ని తెలుసు మాకు.
You were telling 5 years, but he is telling 6 years.
We knew
He is
each
right,
other,
no?
Yeah. 5-6 years because we knew that time only Feroz, na? That time
ఓకే
only I
ఓకే.
knew.
కానీ అంటే ఆమె కంటే కూడా వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ కంటే మీతో ఎక్కువ క్లోజ్ ఉండేది కదా తాన్యా అంటే?
ఎస్ మమ్మీకి మ్యాడ్లీ ఇన్ లవ్ నా రక్తంలో లేదు, కానీ సేమ్ చిన్న ఫిరోజ్ ఖాన్ నా అలవాటే. ఎందుకంటే ఎవరికైనా హెల్ప్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే.
ఇంత పొట్టిగా ఉంటది కానీ
ఇంత పొట్టిగా ఉంటుందా?
కానీ డేరింగ్. రాత్రి 3 గంటలు కూడా ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పి ఏదో అయింది అంటే ఇమీడియట్లీ కార్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతారు.
అబ్బో.
డబ్బులు కావాలంటే ఏ డబ్బులు ఉండని ఇచ్చేస్తారు. ఏదైనా ఇష్యూలో జోరిపోతుంది.
సేమ్ లైక్ యూ.
లైక్ మీ.
రీజన్ ఏంటంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మిమ్మల్ని చూసింది కదా, మిమ్మల్నే తను తీసుకునింది ఆదర్శంగా.
ఇట్ మైట్ బి. నేను ఖచ్చితంగా అని చెప్పను.
చిన్న ఏజ్ లో చూసినప్పుడు అవే నేర్చుకుంటారు కదా యూజువల్ గా.
కానీ నేను చూసాను బై బర్త్ అట్లనే ఉన్నది. देखो ఛాంపియన్స్ ఆర్ బోర్న్ not made, warriors are born, they are not made, leaders are born, they are not made. అట్లనే తానియా was born like that. Great personality. అన్ని దానిలో నంబర్ 1, ఏదైనా నంబర్ 1. సో ఏది నాకు ఇష్టం. లైలా రెస్టారెంట్కి పోతే తానియా ముందు ఉండి నేను లేట్ అవుతుంటా, తానియాకి పెడతా. తానియా ఏం ఆర్డర్ ఇవ్వాలి, తానియా ఏం ఆర్డర్ నా ఆర్డర్ అదే ఉంటుంది. షాపింగ్ కి పోతాను, తానియాకు ఏ కలర్ ఇష్టం నాకు అదే కలర్ ఇష్టం. నేనేం డ్రెస్ తీసుకోవాలి,
It's a coincidence.
నేనేం డ్రెస్ తీసుకోవాలి. 4 డ్రెస్లు పెడితే తానియా ఏది చూస్తే అది నాకే ఇష్టం. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫిరోజ్ ఖాన్, అది చిన్న ఫిరోజ్ ఖాన్.
చిన్న ఫిరోజ్ ఖాన్. సో యూ మిస్డ్ తాన్యా a lot, no?
Yeah. So I miss her being physically there with me. I miss her hugs. I miss her fighting with me. I miss her, our arguments. But somehow she is a soul where I even feel her now. Today it's just been 6 months that she's passed away, but sometimes it feels it's just been yesterday, and sometimes it feels no, she's there. I go in her room in the morning because she used to study abroad. She went to Canada to study, then she went to Singapore to study. So I used to feel that she's there, and I think there are a lot of work of mine which probably I couldn't take decisions, or I couldn't take the right decisions. So now I think that things are falling into place. So I think when she's gone, she's given me a lot of inspiration. She has given me a lot of courage, and I think she's right here. Now I feel she's here. I feel she's more closer to me. Only thing I miss is her physical being.
Yeah.
But I feel she's here.
You know, he also told me same thing just before half an hour.
Yeah.
She's here only.
She's here. We
Her
don't
soul
know
is
her
here
person.
only.
Yes, she's right here.
She is with us only.
Yes.
She's telling like that.
Yes. We genuinely feel that she's right here. She's not gone.
But you are starting some social work on her name.
I already started. No, I already started. It's called High Vision Foundation.
Okay.
This is empowering through education. Because what I always believed it, see, if you want to give food to somebody, if somebody is hungry, then you give them only once. You cannot give them all the time. But if you teach them how to earn, they will always make sure that they are never hungry.
Correct,
They'll always
correct.
have food for themselves, the basic necessities.
Correct.
So for me, education was very important. So I thought, why not educate? So when I took a survey, so I realized that, till 10th standard, all the parents, whether it be our mates' parents or under poverty families, they make sure by the 10th, all the children are educated, because a lot of government aids are also there. So after 10th, it becomes difficult because fees are very exorbitant. They are really, really very high. So there you see a lot of dropouts after the 10th. So you see children 10 tak pad liye, 11th, 12th, they don't go into colleges.
Yeah.
So what we decided, it was my dream for past 7 years actually, because I was working for Aga Khan Foundation long back, me being an Aga Khani.
Yeah.
Yes, as I believe into Aga Khan. So we had Aga Khan Foundation, which I worked for years. And then we learned a lot there. And and we used to do it for the community. So I thought, why not do it for the whole? So this was a dream for past 7 years. Aaj karenge, kal karenge, we'll do it. And then Tanya was my inspiration.
You are a
used-
beautician,
all
no?
the yeah. She was a makeup artist. So she used to tell me, Mama, why don't you do something like that? Because this is something which will give you a lot of happiness. Because see what happens, Feroz is very busy with his work, his politics, his busy, his priorities are very different. See, priorities and love, the two different things. You cannot say if his priorities are there, so he doesn't love me. It's not that. They're two different
Of
things.
course.
So his priorities were different. Coming home late, leaving early in the morning. So very less time he gives it to me. So when I come home, there's nothing much to do. Morning, I'm with my parents. My dad just passed away. He was also not well. So busy with my parents, busy with my work. But then I had so much of energy. What else to do? So she said, Mom, what I see in you is that you enjoy social service. You love to give back. So why don't you start this? So then, there's another friend of mine. We got in touch with same like-minded people who had the same thought process of helping people.
Okay.
So we all came together, 5 of us. And then we started this foundation called the High Vision Foundation. Here
Okay.
we pick up students from past 10th standard
Oh.
and we mentor
slums,
them.
basically.
They're not necessary slums. They have to have minimum qualification, that is 10th pass.
Okay.
They have to have minimum 70% of percentage in 10th standard, and their family income should be less than 25,000.
Those are the criteria.
That's the it can be anybody and not necessary slums. See, when you see middle class people, see when they are little lower middle class people, they don't mind going into other people and asking money. High standard people, they have money, they can afford. I always see the middle class people who always suffer because it's their respect that they will not go out and ask money also. But their income is less than 25,000 also. So we cater all of them. It can be of any creed, any caste, there is no barrier.
Okay.
It can be anybody and they have to apply. We have a source of interview and we do it. So we don't only educate them, we make sure they are a part of the foundation. And then they are with us till they reach their goals. They can become doctors, they can become engineers, or they wanted to go into skill development. A lot of them are not very good with their studies. They may finish the 12th standard and then want to go into skills. So we give them skill training also.
It's good actually.
Yeah, and now we are just having English classes in their summer because a lot of children who we already have are are from government schools. So their writing skills of English is good, but their conversation skills, speaking English is not there. So we are giving training in them. So once they join us and then they go, it's not only education. They are one whole human being who can speak English, who can talk well, who's confident. So many issues. Everything we will cater as our children. For our children, how we concentrate. So when Tanya went, we did a soft launch just one Sunday before she left. Sunday we had a soft launch. She helped me out with doing the paperwork and everything. And I think she knew she was going. So I thought she showed me the way before she went. Because जो चीज़ 7 साल से नहीं हो रही है, वो एकदम से हो जाना. It went so smooth. I'm right. So I feel that she's gone. But right now, to start with, she's given me 44 students to take care. And next month, we are probably taking 200 students more. So our mission is, by 2035, we will have 10,000 students. So she's there, so she's my inspiration. So now उसके लिए तो करना ही है.
Hats off to Tanya, not you.
Hats off to Tanya. She's my inspiration, period. And she is my get-go. I feel she's behind me. कि मामा करना है, you have to do. And she's making things all right. ये तो है ही शुरू से. And now दोनों जने push कर रहे हैं मेरे को. So I have no choice. So I put it fighter to win. Which says, yes, I am a fighter and I will win.
Definitely. We'll also support you. All the best.